10-line speech on Independence Day. Good morning everyone, Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today we gather here to celebrate our 77th Independence Day. India got independence from British rule on 15th August 1947. Our great freedom fighters devoted their whole life for the independence of our country. We should always remember those heroes. Today, we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country. Our freedom is priceless for all of us. So, it is our duty to protect our country and its freedom. I love my country very much and I am proud to be an Indian. Thanking you. Jai Hind.